Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to pop on and show you a new release from Teresa Goodridge, and it is her Christmas Gnomes. Now this is from Creative Haven as the publisher. She had released a Gnomes one, August-ish, I want to say, and it was absolutely adorable, and so she came out with a Christmas Gnomes. Now this was available to pre-order, but now you can just purchase it outright on Amazon. So let's take a look. Oh, this is going to be so fun for Christmas. These are so stinking cute. I love her gnomes. Like, I don't know what it is. They are adorable. So cute. Gnome for the holidays. Ooh, that's fun. Gosh, I swear, every book this woman releases just gets better and better. I love her artwork. She is by far one of my favorite. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, every page in this is adorable. Can it be Christmas time already? You know, minus the whole, you gotta buy gifts and all that. Oh, this is super cute. I might color each one of these. Wouldn't that be a fun challenge for December? Just finish the whole book. There's no way I would be able to do it. I'm realistic. Sorry for if you can hear all the construction noise. It's going to be with us for a while. At least a year. I like that one. But there's so much you could do with this one. And they are single page. The paper is not super great. They changed the paper over a year ago. But to be honest, it still takes watercolor pencils fine. And then I usually use like Prismas or Black Widows on them. Ooh, that'd be fun. But yeah, the paper has turned into not the best. It used to be great. And it still is perforated, so you can tear them out if you want. And, oh, that one's super cute. I like to see how she colors them. It gives me an idea. And then here is the back. So yeah, that is the Christmas Gnomes coloring book. I'll leave a link in the description below. Let me know if you pre-ordered it, what you thought. And yep, until next time everyone, take care. Bye now.